Okay, so today I've got a really interesting kit to show you guys. This is the Jiefang CA30 army truck, right? Now, this is really interesting because it's Chinese built, and it's from Trumpeter, which is a really fantastic model making company. So definitely do recommend. Really nice box, lots more on the back here. You've got more of these opportunity to build a lot more vehicles. So they've got some really nice little kind of pictures there. Now let's have a look at this. This is really exciting because I bought this especially for my Ho Chi Minh Trail diorama, which I'll be working on, and you'll be seeing that progress in the next couple of weeks. Now let's have a look and see what's inside. Now remember when I did the review of the other truck, which was the communication truck, the ZIL 157. This is very, eerily enough, very similar. The molds and everything are very, very close to the communication vehicle. And if we have a look inside, you'll see exactly what I mean. So what we have here is you have simple kind of grating for the truck. So this is a nice little kind of flatbed construction that would be quite nice. It's very simple. Inside you've got more of these, again, wheels which are attached, which is fantastic. And also glass that goes with it for the inside of the cab. So that's quite nice. Now the moulding looks really good. I'm really quite impressed with Trumpeter. I think there's a lot of really nice detail that will make it so much easier to build this kit. As you can see, some really nice detail on the side of the truck for the wood paneling. It's some slightly different detailing for the cab. Obviously that's an addition that the Chinese put in. And look at how nice that is. That is the wooden floor. So that's quite cool. The cab is very similar to the ICM model. Let's have a look. Yeah. Detail's quite nice on the cab. Pretty much about the same, I'd say. Different front as well. There's no Russian markings. They've completely removed it. And what's interesting about the Jiefang, I mean, these are identical. Both trucks are pretty much similar. Now, what I've done is I've partially built, you might see that video, but I've partially built the ZIL. And this is the ZIL truck, and you can see the cab. Compare it to this cab, they are pretty much the same truck. And that's because they actually are. Because the Chinese took the Russian communist design and they copied it, and they added their own features to it, and mass-produced it. Now, what was interesting is the Chinese gave these trucks to the North Vietnamese army, and so they used these up and down the Ho Chi Minh Trail, which is why I really want. Nice instruction manual, looks good. Some really nice detailing. Again, there's no history, which is a shame, but that's just because Trumpeter is literally a build the kit kind of situation. Whereas other companies will have a bit of history. You know, it's always nice to have a bit of history, but to look up the history of this truck, the Jiefang CA30, is quite fascinating actually. But again, quite a nice simple build. Something that I'm definitely looking forward to building. It probably will be exactly identical to the last truck that I built. Even all of this here, slightly different improvements. And some extra wheel arching, as you can see here. But quite a nice simple build, to be honest. So it looks like a good one. Yeah, that looks really good. So I would say, yeah, this is going to be a really nice build. And look forward to seeing how it turns out. That is definitely going to be some interesting detailing that's going to have to work through. But apart from that, I'd say that's been a review. And let's have a look quickly. That's a nice set of decals. Let's have a look here. Yes, these are all nicely boarded up. You can see there some nice detailing. Interesting to have. There you go, there's the Jiefang. So you can do different numbers on it. So yeah, that is going to be quite fun. So I'm looking forward to building this one. And I will let you know how it goes. And I'll see you guys next time.